Length is the verbalization, sound. Breadth is the visualization. Depth is cognition you have about everything. So there are beings who don't have length, only breadth and depth. They are only called Maunis. Mauni means who don't have verbalization. Muni. Muni, the word means Mauni, who don't have verbalization. Rishi is a person who don't have visualization. They function only in sound, frequency, mantra, that's all. Even the meaning of the mantra does not matter. Just by the sound they will do what they want and they will master anything they want. My Guru, Yogananda Puri, from a tree, if he wants a fruit or flower to fall, he will just create a sound through a tongue as if he is throwing a stone. The fruit will fall. Means Mantramayi, master of the sound. Once, still in Tiruvannamalai temple, hill, that rock is there. Huge rock, maybe 30 feet tall, in Tiruvannamalai hill. In front of my eyes, we both were sitting and discussing about something, and he was talking about the sound. He said, through sound anything can be done. In front of my eyes, through tongue he created the sound as if he is breaking that stone, that hammer and chisel. Literally I saw the whole 30 feet stone gave way and still it is standing as it is. As if somebody cut it. Later on, the revenue department people recorded this. It's now in the revenue department record that this Swami has broke this stone just by the tongue sound. Because revenue department need to know how such big stone can be broken. Breaking a stone in the Arunachala hill is illegal. With any material. So revenue department fellows were shaken. One day they saw such a huge stone cracking and standing. They were enquiring. Then he himself called and told them, I only did it. And they asked for a witness. I said, I am the witness. And it's now in the government record. Not once or twice. I have seen him doing hundreds of times. Various things. Same way, he used to make medicines. For some medicines, you need snake poison, snake venom. He's a very non-violent guy. Very non-violent guy. So he doesn't want to kill a snake for snake poison. So in a stone, it will make a small stone on which he grinds the medicine. He will leave that. In the tongue he will create some subtle sound. I have seen snake will come and put the teeth and vomit the poison. Means like it will bite that stone and release the poison and go. Just by sound. Nothing else. Master of the length dimension.